Welcome, my ever faithful internet audience. This is Devang Pujit Roy from BAE 360, here to give you a gist about what's going on around you. So let's get into it.
Two dead and one injured in gas cylinder explosion. Two women died and a man severely injured after a gas explosion in northeast Delhi's Karawal area on Tuesday. The fire department officials say that the incident occurred at 10:30 am when two women were trying to fill two small cylinders with one big one. Hemlata of the age 38 and Rambiri of age 62 died and Rajesh of age 42 severely injured was rushed to the GTB hospital. Former president shows improvement but still on ventilator support. India's Army Research and Referral Hospital said on Thursday that Pranab Mukherjee's health condition improved slightly but still needs to remain under ventilator support. 84-year-old Pranab Mukherjee was admitted to the hospital for a brain surgery to remove a clot from his brain after suffering a fall at his residence on August 10th. He was also tested positive for COVID-19. He was undoubtedly one of the great political leaders of India and he is battling for his life. Let's pray for his good health. California wildfires chase people from home to smoky air. Hundreds of fires are burning around California, including 23 major fires, which are blamed upon the frequent lightning strikes. Crews were working in blistering heat to control the spread of fire, killing a firefighter pilot. The LNU lightning fire is made up of several fires in 5 countries north of San Francisco and has managed to spread over 72 square miles. The fire enraged in the city of Vacaville, a city with population of 100,000 between San Francisco and Sacramento, and had destroyed 50 structures and has damaged 50 of them. California Department of Forestry and Fire Protection said that a helicopter had crashed which was fighting with wildfire with only the pilot on board. The fire containment is still under process and the fight is still going on. Sushant's friend reveals that Sara and him were in a relationship. Sushant Singh Rajput's friend Samuel Haukip revealed the details about his relationship with Sara Ali Khan. They had romanced in the movie Kedarnath and how inseparable they were during the times of promotion of the movie and were totally in love. He questioned that the Bollywood mafia might be involved in the separation of the two lovers after the debacle of SSR's film Son Chidiya. Shiv Sena defends Mumbai police in the SSR probe. A day after the Supreme Court said yes to the CBI probe into SSR's case, the Shiv Sena on its mouthpiece Samna put a hit out on the Bihar government and defended the Mumbai police. They said that getting Bihar police involved in the death probe of Sushant Singh Rajput was an insult to the federal structure. While the Mumbai police was honestly doing their job, the case was surprisingly handed over to CBI. The central government said yes to the CBI probe after a recommendation from the Chief Minister of Bihar. The court said the actor Sushant Singh Rajput was a talented actor in the Mumbai film world and died well before his full potential could be realized. His family, friends, and admirers are keenly awaiting the outcome of the investigation so that all the speculations floating around can be put to rest. Sushant was as good a person as he was an actor, so the last thing he and his family deserve is justice. And the hope on CBI to solve the case and bring forward the truth is what might hold our belief in the federal structure of our country. Russia looking to partner up with India for COVID-19 vaccine production. India's worst single day spike was up to 69,652 cases on Wednesday, resulting in 980 fatalities. The death toll of our country has left behind Brazil and USA with a count of 54,245. Kirill Dmitriev, the CEO of RDIF, said on Thursday that they are to partner up with India to produce the COVID vaccine Sputnik V. He said that many countries from Latin America, Asia, and Middle East are interested in partnering up with them for the co-production of the vaccines, which they will consider as it will help them to cover the current demands. Collaborating internationally would enhance the reach of vaccine to many parts of the world, and the problem would be easier to deal with.
So that's all for today. See you guys tomorrow with some more crispy updates. Keep following our Facebook page, BAE, blog anything and everything, where we post new contents every day and welcome all the hidden talents out there. The link is in the description. Like, share, and don't forget to subscribe for daily updates. Thank you.